of money from PNC Bank. So as you see right here, we have in here a PNC Bank. So what we can do in this case is we can head over and search for PNC Bank branch locator. So search in here for that, and then click onto this locator for which is the first link. Head over and click on that. Now from in there, you should be able to load in here this web page that will actually show you this. So just wait for it. You can enter your city and state or zip code. So for this one, for example, let's put in here the zip code of this and click onto this find option. Now from in there, this will find those locations from in there, and you can see in here which ones are near you. You can also base in here the map. So why do we need to find any branch? So this is because you will only be able to withdraw a large amount of money if you're actually on the physical branch. This is because of their terms and conditions for the verification of your identity to make sure that the money that you will withdraw is used for any legal purposes and not on any illegal purposes.